What's up guys, Shane with Modern Warrior Project, and going to do another versus video on fire starters. So this time we're going to do the Gofire All-Natural Fire Starter. It's got a 15 pack, and these are kind of like some little, basically a little tender bundle that's compressed for later, or it looks like it probably has some kind of an accelerant on it, we'll see. And then I have another bag that I picked up. I don't remember where I picked this up at, so let me show you the Gofire. Okay. Gofire. And then the other bag I picked up is the Instafire Fire Starter, as seen on Shark Tank. So it's apparently on Shark Tank. Burns up to 1,000 degrees. Says it lights up to 4 fires. So this is like loose material here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'll divide this into basically what I would consider a fourth, which will give us 1. And this, we'll just use one of these bundles. I'm going to use Joshua to help me out, and we're going to light them up with a lighter. It's the simplest way. And let's see how they do and how they light and how they burn. All right, Dave, can you help me? Get a lighter on my feet. Thank you. All right, I'm going to let you do this one. This being loose is going to be a little more challenging because of the way we have these bricks laid out. I'm wondering if I shouldn't. Excuse me. I wonder if I shouldn't have. You want to give me that actually real quick? You want to give me that rocket stove? Maybe I can like use a part of it or something. Actually, no. Let's give it an unfair advantage. So this stuff is loose. So instead of anything like that, I am going to just cut, because one of the challenges with this is that I have to keep it in its own. Not that you're always going to be starting your fires on a brick per se, but I do need to be able to utilize it wherever I'm at, and I might not have that with me, so I'm going to just lay this down, part of the package of it. This way. What's that?
It's going to probably be too heavy.
That's going down the bricks. So I would guesstimate. I've got some ants all over my face. Okay, we'll put yours over there. That's all right, but I'm going off of what this says. So I would guesstimate that's about a fourth. All right, get yours a little distance. You ready? Get your light up here first. Make sure you got it lit. All right, let's do your best. Go ahead and light it. It didn't take right off the initial. There we go. So it didn't take much, and that did light up. Had to hold it on there for a couple seconds. How'd the Gofire light? I wasn't watching. Lit up easy. All right, so both of them lit up pretty easy. This obviously has more quantity, but I would say that's about a fourth of the pack, and it says four fire starters. So both of them seem to be doing pretty good. This about the powder. I like the fact that the Gofire All-Natural Fire Starter is kind of like all in one. It's not loose, whereas the powder is loose. So a lot of it's going to have to do with use and your intent to use it. The benefit to that is it's all together. It makes it easy. Just light it and let it go. Whereas the benefit to this is it's going to pack a lot better. So if you're looking like for an actual survival pack, a bug out bag or something like that, I would say that this powder might be the better option, because these, hand me those Gofire starters. These Gofire starters, all in all, are pretty bulky for what you get. I mean, you get a great burn time on both of them right now, actually. But I don't want, let's say if I want, it's just a lot for me to put into my bug out bag or inch bag as far as size goes. They're light, very light, but the size, I wouldn't do it. Honestly, I wouldn't necessarily do this either, but I wouldn't think it's bad. I mean, you could put this in like a little pill, an old prescription bottle, and you've got a decent accelerant. But there's other options out there that are, in my opinion, I'd rather have a prescription bottle of Vaseline, petroleum jelly, if you will. That makes everything burn. So both of them are doing pretty good. Keep hitting that microphone. I want to stir this one and see if it, because this what's it called again? Instafire Fire Starter. It's not even burning the rest of the stuff. So that's got a lot of burn time, it looks like, and it's got some big chunks. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like some cat food or something. It's got some big chunks in there that I suspect probably burn a good bit longer. So if I had to put money on it, the way they're looking right now, I'd probably put my money on this burning longer out of the two. So all in all, they're both lit up well. They both did well. And that's my opinion. You get to see them in action. I am not going to record these while they burn for the next 15-20 minutes. What I will do is just say that I think they both did well. They both have their positive features. It does look like to me the Gofire flame is going stronger. It's probably because it's more condensed where this is burning across the surface of areas. What do you think? You got anything to add to anything? No? Don't redeem yourself for the fish. Alright, so that's it. That's our Gofire All-Natural Fire Starter and the Instafire Fire Starter.